Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be reviewing Yomamaslimes, and before I begin, I want to make a disclaimer that this video was filmed sometime in September of 2019, so it's been a while. Sadly, Laura no longer sells slime anymore, but I didn't want this video to go to waste. Also, I didn't have a mic back then, so bear with me. Let's first talk about packaging. All the slimes came in 8-ounce containers and were securely packaged in cardboard, so there was absolutely no breakage. I only experienced a bit of leakage from overfilled slimes, but you know me and overfilled slimes, it doesn't really bother me at all, so I didn't really care about that. So here's the price of everything that I got in this package. Her slimes were extremely affordable, as you can see. As for extras, she included a borax, candy, and a slime care sheet, and she sent me an extra 8-ounce slime as a freebie, so I really thank you, Laura, for that, and I was really excited to receive it. So first slime in the package is called Horchata Gloss. It's a thick and glossy white glue slime scented like horchata, and it smells absolutely delicious. I don't know how to explain it if you've never had horchata, but it smells like a warm and sweet drink, and I love it. It has gold glitters sprinkled throughout it, and it makes the slime look so pretty and elegant. This has to be one of my favorite thick textures from this shop. It's insanely thick and it has a really good stretch. The more you play with it, the stretchier it becomes, and the bubble pops are also insane, so I really love this one a lot. The next one is called Chocolate Peanut Butter Pie. This one had multi-textures and it came with a side of fake chocolate sprinkles. The texture is a mix of butter slime and a jelly slime. It mixed almost entirely when I had opened it up, as you can see, but I didn't really mind. I loved the vinyl texture of it so much. It made really good sizzles and bubble pops. It was one of those slimes where the more you inflate it, the stickier it gets, but that's not anything that's not normal, so I wasn't really that bothered by it. This next one is called Cosmic Brownies. This one had such a cute sprinkle mix. It had jelly slime on the bottom, topped with brown clay. And as you can see, the jelly slime was kind of underactivated, so I had to be really quick with it. And once I mixed it, it had a very similar texture as the previous slime, which Laura did mention in her restock video. So I knew what I was getting, but I was just excited either way. Just like the previous slime, this made really good bubble pops, and it inflated almost double in size. This slime is called Guac, and it is described to be a cloud cream scented like avocado, sea salt, and rosemary mint. I didn't really know what to expect with the smell at first, but honestly, I loved it so much. I really like this pastel green color as well, and it had a bit of small green foam beads in it, but not enough to interfere in any way. I actually didn't realize that there was foam beads in it while I was playing with it. But yeah, I'm also not super into cloud creams, but this one was really nice because it didn't really have much snow in it. It just felt like a really squishy sleigh slime, which I was obsessed with. I really liked this slime a lot. And this one is the one that I got as an extra, so I was so stoked to have this. And yeah, I was like super happy with this one. I absolutely love and adore Laura and her sister, and I was so excited when I met her for the first time at Slime Rodeo. I'm so sad that she's not as active as she used to be, but she knows how much I love her and appreciate her, and I really wish you guys can experience how good her slimes are. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, despite how irrelevant this review video might be. I thank you guys so much for always supporting me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!